Is it too hard to create your own dropshipping store? Definitively it isn't. If you decide to work with platforms such as Shopify, you will create your store very quickly. But what is it then? A huge phase are waiting for you. But if you create your own store using WordPress, Woocommerce and Alidropship plugin, you will finally be independent, cut the cost, grow reliably, and scale your business. Why should you continue to share with someone else your profits? Fact is, you could create your own store if you would find the right dropshipping tutorial. There is a ton of videos on YouTube on how to create a store with WordPress, but none of them gives you a complete solution on how to get a damn store running. You will be struggling with a ton of problems. This video is guaranteed your ultimate help not only to create a store but also to learn a lot of things about web design. With this video, I have you covered. Look forward to almost 4 hours of free WordPress tutorial. I will be showing you how to create your store from scratch, create your business, create finally your dream. To support us producing more content like this, subscribe to this channel and hit this like button. Thank you for watching. My name is Hassan. Enjoy the video. So let's go. Are you guys ready? Good. We are going to build your new store in very simple steps. Step 1. Get your domain and hosting. For example, mycars-accessories.com. You better choose a simple and at the same time an eye-catching domain name. For the hosting, we recommend Siteground hosting, the best hosting in the market right now. It's super cheap and easy in use, simple and intuitive user interface. You don't need any cPanel, all tools in one place. You can host your website for as little as $7 per month, plus a free pre-installed SSL. Get a discount of 70% for your hosting by Siteground. Step 2. Install WordPress. WordPress is a free content management system that basically allows you to create your website without any coding or technical knowledge or skills. WordPress powers more than 500 million websites and it's by far the most popular platform for creating websites. Afterwards, we will be making some basic setups before starting to customize your store. Step 3. We will be installing the Themify theme shop. We have partnered with Themify to share this theme with you for free. However, at certain time, you will need updates and support. Themify themes are great themes. You can get this discount for the owner in this video, exclusive for this channel. Step 4. Install required plugins for your dropshipping store. You will need Alidropship Woo. You can get a discount from the owner in this video, exclusive for this channel. You will need also Contact Form 7 is free, Updrafts Plus to backup and restore your store is free, Woocommerce is free, Woocommerce Admin is free, Woocommerce PayPal Checkout Gateway is free, VP Mail SMTP is free, and Yoast SEO is free. Step 5. Make pages. We will be creating all pages you need for your dropshipping store. Step 6. We will be designing your niche store and importing products from the Aliexpress. Stay to the end. This is a full and real dropshipping tutorial.
Now there is a link down below in the description of this video. You can either click on it or just open up your browser and type in eltadrar.com/Siteground and click on enter. That is my affiliate link, so basically if you do purchase through that link, I will get a referral commission for that at no cost for you. It helps support my channel so you don't get charged any extra and you will be able to get a discount as well. So there are 3 plans at Siteground: start up, grow big, and go gig. Startup for beginners and for people who have only one website or plan to have only one. The plan costs $7 per month, discounted from $15 per month. Here are some important features. You have the possibility to host only one website. You have 10 GB of web space, free WordPress installation, free WordPress migration. You can migrate any WordPress website from any other web hosting provider using a very simple Siteground plugin. You have a permanent free SSL certificate. Other hosting companies want to have at least $10 per month per website. You have a daily backup. You have a free CDN. CDN is a service that speeds up the load of your websites everywhere worldwide. The Siteground CDN network has 152 locations and is growing, so your websites will be loaded very fast from the closest one to your visitors. You have free email accounts. Create professional email addresses with your website domain at no extra cost. You can create as many accounts as you need. And you have a 30 days money back guarantee. Grow Big, which I highly recommend, is the most sold plan at Siteground. You will be able to do more with your web hosting. I personally have purchased this one and I am really very happy with it. I can show you guys my account. Here you can see which plan I have purchased for my web hosting. If you go to services, you can see my hosting plan, Grow Big. In addition to all the features including in the startup plan, GrowBig offers you the possibility to host unlimited websites, more web space with its 20 GB web space, on-demand backup copies. With startup plan, backups will be made automatically once per 24 hours, and with GrowBig, you will be able to make backups on the fly. GoGig is la crème de la crème, the best plan for people who want to really enjoy more web space with 40 GB web space. Priority support, white label clients, means that you can register your clients if you plan to have an agency and give them white label access to the site tools of the sites you create for them. When your clients logs into the site tools, they won't see Siteground logo or name anywhere, so you can provide white label hosting service. I would suggest to begin first with GrowBig, and if you see that you need to upgrade to GoGig, you will do it anytime in your Siteground service area. Click on Get Plan. If you already have purchased the domain name, you don't need to buy a new one. Just put it in here and proceed. The only thing you need to do is to point your website, means your existing domain, to Siteground. For now, just proceed with the purchase of your web hosting. Now, if you don't have any existing domain name, go with register a new domain, put your Eye Catching domain name which you have chosen and which directly gives what is your business about in here. It should be simple and easy to be noticed. Because I have decided to build a niche website or a niche store about car accessories, I have just put in here an example of domain name and how it must be chosen. Because the store is about car accessories, a domain name like caraccessories360.com should be very attractive for your customers. And there is another point to think about, and that is which TLD is for my store best. Is it .com? Is it .net? Or should I go with the top level domain of the country in which I live? It depends really where is your market. If you sell in only one country, you should maybe go with the TLD of the specific country. But if you sell worldwide, I would suggest to go with the TLD.com. If you decide to go with .com, I would say this is the best choice. Now, click on Proceed. Fill in your email address and choose a password that you can easily remember. The most important information here is your email address. Make sure that you can access the email address you provide. You need it to recover your password in case you have forgotten it, to receive identity confirmation codes to access your client area at Siteground, and to manage your website. So now add your details. Add your first name, last name, a company name if you are an entrepreneur, and your address. Now you will be invited to add your credit card details and a billing address if you have a specific one. Here you can choose which data center is the closest to your customers. For example, if your focus is on the American market, then you should go with the data center in USA. That will speed up the delivery of your website. Now you have the possibility to decide for which period you want to pay. I would suggest to go with 1 year, 12 months. This is by far the best deal. You will pay only $10 per month. If you check this, the domain service hides your personal details from third parties who may be authorized to access the following information. If you check this one, Siteground can for $19.80 per year save your website against hackers and malicious codes. Now check the terms of service and the newsletter boxes. The newsletter is a good thing to get offers and information about hosting, and pay now. Check your email box. Open this one, follow the instructions to verify your contact details. Without this, you will not be able to use your domain. After you have made all the verifications required by Siteground, please see your email box for that. Now visit siteground.com, log into your account, click on websites. This is where all your websites will be displayed. For now, you will have only one domain name since you have purchased only one. I have in here more than one website. Here is my blog, and this one is the domain which I purchased to show you guys how to build dropshipping store. Now click on Site Tools, go to WordPress, install and manage. So the first thing I will do, I will remove this installation of WordPress, confirm, success, and now I will select WordPress. I will change this username to L.art, and I will put my email address. So the password is the one which I have on Siteground. It's the same which you decide for on the first time. Install. Now WordPress is installed on this domain name. Just click on this icon. Congrats, you have installed WordPress. Just close this window and go to Site Tools. Now we are in the dashboard of the website bestdropshippingtutorial.com. So now you need to activate your SSL certificate. It is about to have this lock like this in here, and to make your website safe for your visitors and customers. I have already done it for my domain in here. Just go click on Security, SSL Manager, and you will select your domain. Just select SSL, select this one, let's encrypt, and click on Get, and you will get here a success message and you will get this login here. Maybe you will have to re-log into your dashboard, and after that it will be done. So to go to dashboard, we click on admin panel, or we can click on this icon again. This is the dashboard of my website. This is where I can manage my store. For now, I will just go to permalinks, go to settings, permalinks, and make sure that post name is checked. So if post name is checked, your URLs will look like this. Means here sample post name will have name of your page, your product, or your post. If you check this one, for example, your URLs will look like this. It's not really nice for your SEO. So we'll go for post name for now. Save changes. Now we will visit the website. Click on visit. For example, right mouse click, open link, new tab, and this is our website. Tada! Online. Everyone can find it, but the site is empty. There's nothing in here, but don't worry, it will soon look professional and beautiful. We will create a very, very nice website. Now it's time to get Themify Shop. You can either click on the link in the description or just open up your browser and type /downloads. It will take you to my downloads page. As already mentioned before, we have partnered with Themify and we are allowed to share this theme with you for free. However, if you need updates and support, you should consider buying one of these plans. The best deal is that you can get 30% off if you buy through one of these links and using the coupon code Alidropship. Click on one of these links. That will take you to the pricing page of Themify, and here you can decide for a single theme. You pay $59 and you have access to support and updates for 1 year. Or go with Master Club. This is a popular. You pay only $89 and you have 42 themes, 11 plugins, 25 build add-ons, and you have access to support and updates for 1 year. You can also decide to buy Lifetime Club and you have all the themes and plugins and add-ons lifetime for only $249 and you have access to updates and support lifetime. Use the coupon code Alidropship to get 30%. This is a huge and a big discount exclusive for this blog, for this YouTube channel. Use it to get 30%. Use it to get these great themes very cheap. Now guys, I want to show you my member area. This is my member area at Themify. So these are my themes, plugins, add-ons, everything I need is in here. For each theme I have documentation, how to use it. And this is also my support area. These are some topics I opened, and the support at Themify is really awesome and great. Now I want to show you my licenses which I bought from Themify. I decided first for the Master Club. After exactly 10 days, I enjoyed the themes, the plugins, and I called Themify and I asked them if they can maybe accept that I pay the difference and get Lifetime Club. They accepted and enjoyed really the themes after that, because I have all the themes for lifetime. I will get support and updates lifetime, and this is really very great, because you will pay 90 euros for 1 year, and the next year you will pay 19 euros, and I think after 2 years you have already paid lifetime. And for that, I am really offering you this opportunity to get this 30% off. Use Alidropship. This coupon code will really give you the possibility to get these Themify themes for a very, very good price. So for now, just go back to my downloads area, scroll down, and now you will have the opportunity to download Themify Shop and Themify Updater. I just want to show you how you can use the Themify Updater for later if you purchase a license from Themify. Just put your name, your mail address. I will put the mail address which I use for this dropshipping, best dropshipping tutorial at gmail.com, and calculate. This is very interesting against spam. I will show you how to use that later with contact form 7. I agree to be contacted. I will just have the possibility to send you a link to download Themify Shop. Click on Get Themify Shop, and now you have this message: thank you for requesting Theme Shop. Please check your email. Now check your email box. You will get an email from my blog, and you can download Themify Shop and Themify Updater. Just click on the links. It will directly download the Themify Shop, and go back to your mailbox and download Themify Updater. These both theme and this plugin, they are in your download area on your computer. So since we are here in my downloads area, please download contact form 7 version 5.3.2. 5.4 is not really good right now. We will work with 5.3.2. Now go back to your dashboard, appearance, go to themes, add new, upload theme, choose file. Now we will choose the file which you downloaded before, themify-shoppe.zip, open, install now. Activate. And that's it. Now you have installed the theme and you can work with it. You don't have any updates, but you can work with this theme now. We'll just visit our page and see how it looks like. Yeah, we will build this store. Don't worry about that. We'll go back to dashboard. And now I will show you how to install the updater plugins just to get automatic updates when you purchase your license. So add new, upload plugin, choose file, Themify Updater. Install now. Activate plugin. So I will need my Themify license. I will just go to my license area, copy the license, go back to my plugin. The license is already here because I installed it as before. This is my username. The good thing is, if you build or create a website for a friend, or if you have agency, you can put your license in here in username, and your friend or your customer will get the updates and he will never see your username or your license. It means you can use the lifetime club membership as to build agency or to make any kind of websites for friends, for commercial purpose, or for education. There's really no problem. It's no matter what you do with your themes. And save. Now go back to appearance. You can see all the themes you have installed. This one is a default theme. You can leave it, or maybe you can delete it also, but we will work with shop, and shop is active. We'll go now to Themify Shop, Themify settings. This is the area in your dashboard. You can make a lot of settings about your themes. We'll go to skins and demos, and this here are pre-built stores. You can select one of them and install it, and you have directly a store. The only thing you have to do is to change all the pictures and texts and put your content, and that is not really very easy work for beginners. For example, we'll choose this one, click on demo to see how it looks like. So this is a complete shop pre-built from Themify. You can just install it and you have directly your store. You will have only to change the names of the pages. This is the home. You have maybe to change this hero page if you don't like. And this kind of pictures are related to the shop. So you will need your pictures. I'll show you how you can make featured products in here or in any area you want in your store. This is subscribing module for a newsletter. This here is about social media, and this is a footer, special footer. I can show you how to make this kind of footer. Now we'll go back and see another one, maybe this one, demo. This is another store created by Themify. All these kind of things we can build them from scratch, and then it's really very easy for beginners. So now we will go to plugins, install plugins. I will show you how we can install plugins. We have already installed Themify Updater. It's the same way. Now go to add new, go to upload, choose file, and we will install contact form. I'm very interested in this version 5.3.2 because the version 5.4 is not really working good. Now we go to open, install now, activate plugin. So now go to add new and look for WP mail. This one, install now. Activate. Okay, we'll not make that right now. We'll make that later. Now we'll just install the plugins we need, and later I will show you how to make the settings. So for our SEO, we need Yoast, install now, activate. Add new, and we need WooCommerce. Install now and activate. Add new, we'll need WooCommerce admin, this one, install, activate. Add new, WooCommerce PayPal checkout. Where is it? WooCommerce. this one. Activate. And we'll need also to backup and restore our store. Updraft Plus. So Updraft Plus is a plugin. You can use it to make backups on the fly. As already mentioned in this video before, with Siteground, you can you will get one update per 24 hours, and you can also make up to 5 backups on the fly. But with Updraft, you can backup your store at any time you want. Now it is time to get Alidropship plugin. You can either click on the link in the description or just open up your browser and type in get-alidropship-plugin. Enter. This is the page of the plugin of dropshipping of Alidropship, and click on buy now. So to use LTadrart as a coupon code, go here, put LTadrart, apply, and now you will see you have 15% off. You will pay $75.65 instead of $89. Just complete your informations, your email and maybe your comment if you want, and add your payment details and complete order. Go back to dashboard, go to plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, and now I will install the Alidropship Woo plugin. Install now. Activate plugin. So, and now Alidropship Woo is in here. I will just look for my license. Activate. Congrats, your license has been activated. Okay. So we'll go back to dashboard and we will work with Alidropship Woo later. So now we will go to our website. So this is our store right now. And right now I will try to clean this homepage. This one is a post. We'll go back to dashboard and we will delete it. Dashboard, post, hello world, action, move to bean, apply. And go directly to trash, delete permanently. Okay. And now go back, visit. It's not in here. And this one is a sidebar with a widget. We will just eliminate and delete that from here. Go back to dashboard. And we'll go to appearance, widgets, and we will find it in here. This one, this is search icon, we'll delete it. Recent post, delete it. And archives, delete. category must also delete it. Delete, recent comment, delete. We'll go back to front. There is nothing in here. Okay, very nice. Now I want to change this text in here. Instead to have powered by WordPress and themify WordPress themes, I want to put my own text in here. So go back to dashboard and go to themify settings and go to theme settings, footer text, hide this one, save. That will delete that, refresh, go back and put here this kind of text, for example. So in here you can put the name of your store, save, and go to front, refresh. Now I have my text which I want in here. So now go back to dashboard and we will create some pages. Add new. We'll create a home page. Publish. Okay, now go back. This is a home, is created. Add new. Contact. Publish, publish, go back, refresh, contact is created, add new, about us, publish, go back, privacy policy we already have, that is created as a default one. Then we'll create refunds policy. Go back, refresh, refunds policy. After that, we will create shipping and delivery. Okay, go back, add new, terms of service, so now let's go back, and here we will find all the pages we have created. We will need all these pages to create our footer menu and navigation menu. So now I want just to show you another thing to make the things easy. We will go, for example, and click on home page. This is the back end of the page. I mean, we can make a lot of settings on the back end, and if we click on front end, yeah, this is now the page. Customers will see that this is the front page. There is nothing in here. We will customize it later, but now we'll go back. What I want just to say, I want to change that because it looks not really very easy to change anything in here, and for that we have to install a plugin The name of this plugin is Classic Editor, to change the way it looks like. So this one, very famous, more than 5 million installations. Install now, activate, and now we'll go back to our pages, and it looks now very clean, and you can do a lot of things in here. Later I will show you how you can manage this area. This is SEO. Yeah, this is the thing I want really to show you, to make the things easy on back end. So now we will check our progress. So our front page or home page look like this now. There's pages we have created, but we haven't until now created any menu. We'll need a navigation menu for a header and footer menu. So let's go back to dashboard, go to appearance, menus, and now we'll create top nav for top navigation. For header, create menu. So, and on the top nav for the header, we will place contact, home, and about us, and shop. It's main navigation. And we can adjust our pages like this. So this is the first page, and home, about us, and contact. Let us just save the menu, and we'll go visit our page. Okay. So now we'll go back to Themify settings, and we'll go to theme settings, theme appearance, and we'll just change the header design to that. Save. Go back and visit. Now go to customize. We go to site logo and tagline. Site logo. I will use a logo image. Add, select file. And now I will put a logo which I created with Photoshop for this tutorial. So it's very big. You can change that to, we'll try with 169. Still too big. Still too big. Okay. And we will go to the margin, and we can change the position in here. Maybe you put 5. No. 10. 15. 12. Okay. Publish. So this is now our home page. we have shop, home, about us, and contact. Now we'll go to customize and click here on this icon to go back. Go to homepage setting and click static page and choose for static page home. It means now that the first thing will be shown when someone visits your store is the home page. And if you click on About Us and click on logo, you will go back to home page. Dashboard, appearance, menus, and we will continue where we have stopped. We'll create new menu. Create new menu, footer menu, as footer menu, create menu. Now we will select the pages which we need in our footer menu, terms and service, shipping and delivery, refunds policy. We can also take contact, view all, privacy policy. We need privacy policy in footer menu. Okay, select again and contact. Yeah, we can also take both. Add to menu. So we will organize these. Maybe the first thing is refunds policy, shipping and delivery, because your customers needs this information, needs to say that you are serious about your business, and how they can contact you. Privacy policy, terms of service in here, so you can decide for yourself in how you can organize your footer menu. Save. So now we'll go to our home page and we have already our footer menu in here. So since we already have About Us and Contact in our main navigation, I will remove Contact and About Us from footer menu because it's a lot of things in here. So just go back to dashboard, go to appearance, menus, and footer menu, and we will delete contact, remove. We will remove also About Us, save menu, and go back and visit. Yeah, okay. That's all right now. So there is another thing, guys, I want to show you. Now we are in home and we can edit this page on the front end and the back end. To edit that on the front end, we have just to turn on the builder in here. And we can edit our page in here. I will show you later how we can do that. We have to do that. Now, I want to go back to my back end. I can go through dashboard or I can just click on back end. Now I am on the back end of the page. I can, for example, edit my SEO. I can also edit my text in here. I can edit also my layouts in here. I can do a lot of things. My page appearance, can edit my footer in here. For example, we can change the position of logo and to say we want our logo in the center. So we'll choose that, we'll save and go back to our page, view page. Okay. Now there's a thing I have to change or to delete is home. This is the title of the page. Just turn on the builder and click on backend, go to page appearance or page option, and here hide by schedule, yes, update, view page. The title is now gone. Since I want to create a store about car accessories from the Aliexpress products, I have created another logo, very simple one. I think it will be better than this one in here. So let's change it. So go to customize and we'll go to site and logo, site logo. I will remove this one and I will put this one, which I already uploaded. So car accessories store. This is just for fun, just to change a little bit from this tutorial's logo. So now to change the size of the logo, just go in here. We had, I think, 126 pixel. I can change it to 165 or maybe 220, but now this is too big. I think 176 or 156 is okay. We'll leave it for now. So like this. We can also change the margin if you want. So I put 12 in here. We can put 15. Here I can put 15. It depends on which logo you have, on how you want to really put it on your header. You can play with this the settings and choose the best settings for you, for your store. And yes, publish. Yeah, for now it's okay. So there is a setting we have to do, because for our home we have the logo in the center. Now we need to make the same for all the pages, because I think it's better to have the same layout for all the pages. Because if I click on shop, the logo isn't in the left and I still have the name of the shop in here. But I will leave it for shop. Maybe for about us, I will remove that. For contact, for refund policy, for all the pages. But let's do that. Okay, home, I have that. The title is hidden and the logo is in the center. Okay, click on contact, turn on builder, backend, and go to page option and hide title. Update, go to page appearance, header, logo in the center, update. Now we will go back to front page, go to about us, turn on builder, backend, and we will go to page option, hide title, update, page appearance, header, logo in the center, update. I will go view page and go to refunds policy, turn on builder. I think it is good for you to repeat, because I can do it only 1 or 2 times, but it's really very good to repeat for you to learn all of these things to get it automatically. Yes, update, and now go to page appearance, header, logo in the center. View page. Okay, and go to shipping and delivery. The same, turn on builder, backend, and go to page options. Yes, update, page appearance, header, logo on the center. View page, terms of service, turn on builder, backend, page options, hide title, update, page appearance, header, logo on the center, update. View page, privacy policy. This text in here is created from Themify. We will change it later. Turn on builder, backend, page options, hide title, update, page appearance. Where's page appearance? Header. Okay. I think for home is okay, about us is okay, contact is okay, refunds policy, shipping and delivery, terms of service, privacy policy. For shop, I don't know, maybe we have to leave it, or we can also for now change it. Okay. Page appearance, hide. Okay. So now if we click on home, logo is in the center, about us, logo is in the center, contact, the same thing, refunds policy. I think it's better to have the standard design for all the pages, because it's not really good to have for one page in the center, for another one and left or right. I think it's good like this, and I really repeat all these actions to give you the opportunity to learn how you can deal with this kind of small things and to learn them for forever. So now guys, I want to show you how to change the colors, the fonts of these menus in here. But before that, we'll go to dashboard, we'll go to Themify settings, and I will show you where you can show all Google fonts. Click in here, save. And guys, if you remark that you can't see the changes you made in your site, just push Siteground cache. Now we go visit our site, and now go to customize. And for example, in our main navigation, you can change menu link, and in this area you can change, you can make some changes. For example, you can decide for another kind of font, for example Open Sans. I like really Open Sans font is modern, and here you can change. Now this is black. The color black is the color of the link. You can change it, for example, to blue. You can change it to any color you need. For example, green. I don't know, maybe you have a green design and you need this kind of color, you can change it here, but for me I will leave it black. And when you hover over, this is gold, and this color you can change it in here, menu link hover. Just go in here and you can make, for example, just to say the difference, choose, for example, this red. And now if you hover over, is becoming red, and you can choose any link you want. And now menu active link means when you click on contact, it stay gold. This color you can change it, for example, to another color, for example green, to green, for example, or to red. Yeah, okay, I will leave it gold. So in here you can play with the settings and choose the design you want, choose the colors you want, choose the design which is good for your store. So let's design our home page. Turn on Builder, Backend, Page Options, No Sidebar, Update. View Page, turn on Builder, and I will add something from our blog, something's pre-built from Themify. There is a lot of things that are very good in here. So we'll take, for example, this one. Okay, now there is a lot of space in here. We will remove this space. First thing, I will delete this module in here, and I will go to styling, margin, percentage, and I will just minimize margin to -7. Done. Save. So this is a pre-built block from Themify. So I will just find a picture that passed to my store. Because I have car accessories, I will have just to find a picture with a car, with a nice car. I already have the picture. Go in here, styling, background, choose another picture. The picture is already uploaded. And very important for SEO, you have to change the name, title, just make good name for your SEO. Car accessories, say a store, find the best accessories for your car. Insert. Now my picture is inserted. Save. If I close that, this is my home now. So now let's change this text in here. We'll make some changes about this button. Turn on Builder and double click this in text module, and we can just put text that pass to our store. The best, for for example, the best car accessories. Done. Welcome to our shop. We can leave it or delete it. I think we will leave it. And now we will redesign this button. You can change, for example, the size of the button here. Make it small, XL, or squared, circle, rounded. I think square is very modern. You can also make it transparent, outline, solid. Can, for example, set it as full width, or just change the color. Okay, maybe red is appealing, related to this color in here. And in this case, I have maybe to change the font color, or just go to styling and font. I will also directly change the font for all my settings on the site. I will use Open Sans, and we'll take white, size 16 pixel, for example, or no, leave it bigger than that, 22. Okay, and the height 28. Okay, and there's another thing we have to set is the link. We have just go to our shop and copy the link, click on shop, and then copy the link here, go back in here and paste the link of the shop. There's a lot of settings. You can just play with these settings and try them. You can also animate your button if you want. Entrance animation, for example. Save, close. So, okay, if we click on shop now, that will take us directly to the shop page. So now to check if your home page or this page is responsive, just go to customize and click on mobile, and that is what it will look like on a mobile phone. It's a little bit big text. We can change that, or we can just create another picture or another hero picture for a mobile phone. Go back to desktop, or we'll close that. Turn on Builder, and we'll just duplicate, we'll duplicate this picture. We'll go here and go to visibility, and we'll switch off desktop, tablet portrait, and leave it just mobile. And now we can just adjust this text for mobile to heading 3, for example, or heading 2. Done. Save. Close. Now go to customize, mobile phone, and this one is for desktop, and next one is for a mobile. It means now if you check your store on a mobile phone, you will not see that. You will see only this picture. This is the way how you can really make your store or website very, very responsive with Themify. Guys, I will show you how to create a slide. If you don't want a hero picture like this, you can also work with slides. Just go to turn on Builder, add a new row, and we will go here and find module slide. We'll make a slide with images, because you can also make a slide with videos, with text, with posts. I will add the first picture. All of my pictures are full HD. I will go with slider overlay, add text. I will just add the same text as before. Best car accessories. The link of the image will be the shop. I'll just copy my domain name /shop. I will not add any caption, and I will go with slider overlay. Slide effects, you can have also slide effects if you want, but I will leave it just as standard. Done. There's nothing I want to show you. You can leave your slide like this. It means small slide, or you can go with full width. Just go to raw options and go to full width. You have now a big picture, all screen. Go back to edit and add new slide, add a picture, and same text. These texts are only examples. You guys, you know which text you will use. Best car accessories. I will use the same link, shop, and I will leave all the things as standard. So now I have already 2 slides. So we'll just change the picture because this one is not full HD. Just go here. We'll go to our second slide and we'll choose this one. This one is full HD. Okay, it works. So this is a slide with 2 pictures. I will add another one. Go to edit and add new, add a picture, upload picture, select file, and I will add this one. I will take the same text and the same image link. Done. So, and now you have your slide. Okay. So we can change the settings and we can say, for example, auto scroll to 3 seconds and maybe slow, and done. Save and look at this now. Can make it faster. Just go back and make it fast. So you can change the settings as you want, as you like. Maybe after 1 second. I think this is too fast. If you have a lot of products, of a lot of pictures, you can really do what you want with this kind of very easy to use settings of Themify shop. So now guys, I will show you how to add a picture and add maybe a text on this picture and a button. We have just added a row. We will add a picture module, image. Now we'll decide to go with this Ferrari, and we will just click on done, go here, row options, follow it. Now, for example, I want just to add some text in here and a button, maybe shop now. Just go here in this green plus and add normal text module. We will write the same text, the best car accessories. So now we'll go to styling, font, open sans, we'll for now leave it just black, size, let's say 44, and height 32. Now we'll move this text to here. Just go back to edit, go to styling, margin, and make it -8. Go to padding and move the text to the right. So I will edit my text, styling, and make it white. Okay, this is my text. I want to make it as heading 2 maybe. Let me just see, heading 3 maybe. Okay, done. Now I will add a button. Shop now, and I will add my shop link. Make the button bigger and maybe red color. Go to styling. Now we'll move the button on a picture using margin tool. Go to padding, left, and now I have my button here. Okay, save, close. So guys, here is how you can add a picture, small text, and uploading button. I have just shown you very essential and elementary things about how to add an image, but this is really very easy. Just play with the settings and you will have the best settings you need for your store. So now I will show you how to add a video. We have just added a row option, follow it, and we'll go and look for video module, add video module. The best thing is to add video from YouTube, because it's not really good for your resources to upload a video to your to your hosting. If you have a YouTube channel and you have videos about your store, so just upload the video to your YouTube channel, and you can just put the link in here. For example, I have here a video link about Ferrari, and now we have directly the video on our website. So this is my video directly on my page. So very beautiful car, and guys, you have to make sure to build your store very quickly and try to make money to buy this kind of car. Yes, it is only to show you how you can add a video to your store. So now if you need to add anything to your home, you will need just to click on this plus and add a row. You can add 4 row, or maybe a row with 2 container, or 3, 4. You can really add anything you need, or maybe go just to blocks and add something pre-built from Themify. You can here look for call for actions. For example, if you need some things that is calling to do something, or just for example for hero banners, you can just take it and change the text, change the picture, and you have directly what you need. Or you decide to do that yourself, you can add anything you need. You can get add alert, box, button, fancy heading. You can add a gallery of pictures, image. We have already spoke about image, and all of these modules are really very easy to use. And if you have any question about that, you have, if you buy the team from Themify, you have the possibility to have a full documentation about how to use this all kind of modules in here. But for now, we'll stop this adding of modules, and we will concentrate of one thing. Maybe I will go with this one. Yeah, I will leave only this one, and this one for mobile. And for now, I will delete this slide, and we will try right now to move on and to try to build this website. Before moving yet with creating more content, I will just try to change this picture now. This one, I will go for this one, this BMW. For desktop is black, is really good, and leave this one for mobile. You can see in here that this one, this row will not be shown on desktop, tablet, and tablet landscape. And this one we can change it, will not be shown on mobile. Done. Now guys, I will show you briefly where you can add some SEO information and how you can edit your SEO snippet. SEO is very important to be found on the internet and to be indexed from the search engines. When someone look for a certain car accessories on Google and you have it on your store, it must be shown on the results if your store is well indexed. For example, if we go to Google and look for car air humidifier, this one, I just want to tell you what is that. That is a SEO snippet. This one is SEO snippet. And you have the opportunity to have this kind of snippet also for each page you have, for each product you add to your store. So this text in here is a meta description. If we click on this snippet, it will disappear. We will not see it anywhere. But to see where is it, just click on FN12 on your and go to header, and you will find it in here. This is it. Metadata React Helm. This is this text in here. And you can spy on your competitors or spy on other stores, and you can copy this text in here and use it in your snippet. You can also copy the title if there is any title in here, but there is no title. But I will show you where you can put this kind of information. So you go back in here, go to backend. Now we will edit the SEO snippet of home. This is a snippet. We will add a focus key phrase, and our store is about car accessories. So we'll just add the text like the best car accessories for your car, for example. And the title, maybe you will take the same. This is still orange. You can add another things. The best car accessories for your car, kids accessories. So find the best car accessories for you and for your friends. Kids phone holder, kids accessories, phone holder, free shipping worldwide. So for example, this is a snippet. So now press FN F12 and we'll go to height, and we will find our meta description in here. And if this store is well indexed, Google will show this snippet on the search results for people who look after car accessories. After we have added a snippet to our home page, now there is a change. Look at this tab in here. The best car accessories for your car, kids, best dropshipping tutorial. Okay, and there's a thing I want also to teach you today is how you can change that and put your picture. The name of that is a 5 icon. So you will just have to go to your dashboard. There is 2 ways to do that. We go to themify settings, and here you can change the 5 icon. You must add a square PNG picture, 512 square picture, or you have also the possibility to do that here. Customize, go back here, go to site identity, and you can select your site icon. The site icon should be square and at least 512 square. I have already prepared one. Select file, 5 icon, CA for car accessories. Select, publish, refresh. Look at this. I will refresh. Look at this. It looks very, very nice. So guys, now we'll need to import some products from the Aliexpress. I really want to have some products in my shop, and because I want to use these products in here in my home page as featured products, and to continue designing this website or this store. So to make Alidropship plugin work properly, you need to install and activate Alidropship Google Chrome extension. It means right now it is time to work with the Google browser Chrome. If you still don't do it, install it to be able to import products with Alidropship plugin. Extension allows you to add products and reviews to your store directly from Aliexpress, edit product before import. So just go to Google and search for Alidropship is already here. And where is it? This extension. Click here and you can just add it. I already have it. This is this icon in here. So just look for this extension, install it on your Chrome to be able to import products from Aliexpress. After you have installed Alidropship Chrome extension, click on this icon here and add your domain. I'll just copy my domain, click on add extension for Chrome and add this domain. Now I will need to log in. How the Alidropship extension would like to connect to, authorize. Okay. And now I am connected to Aliexpress. I will just check if my Alidropship plugin is everything's fine. License. Okay, there's no problem in here. Now we will just go to Aliexpress.com. I will just type car accessories. And I will look for some very good products. So this one, for example, is a can of organizer, so trash, small trash bin. We can take this one, for example, and okay, we'll go to edit and we will make this a little bit short. Maybe you can leave the brand if you want. Car trash can auto organizer. Maybe we can use that later for the title, SEO title. And I will just copy that and paste it here for the permalink and create a category organizer. Add, and this kind of picture is, it shows only this picture, for example, shows only the arrow kind of products this shop has. I will just delete this kind of pictures and I will copy the title, put it in here. Okay, and I will just remove all these pictures in the description because take a lot of storage. You can decide if you want to leave these pictures in your description. and this is our gallery. I can for now leave it, and I will just try to see what kind of text is in here. Guys, you have really to pay attention about how are the texts written, because Chinese have written this kind of texts, and there's a lot of mistakes in there. Just you have to pay attention about that. I'll just go and delete all of this text. And origin from China, I will delete it. Maybe I'll just leave this kind of important information. And this picture, for example, is not good because there is a price on it. I can remove it from here. Add to import list. So guys, let's just import one last product together, and I will try to import more products myself, and after that to continue with styling and designing of this store. So the first thing I have to pay attention about when I'm looking for a product is the rating of the store. This store is really very good. He has like 98 positive feedbacks, and the product also is really awesome with 90% of people they have given 5 stars, a lot of reviews and a lot of orders. So I can really import this product, and I know I will not have any problem with this supplier and this product. Edit. And as already told, we have only to shorten this. This title is really very long, and you can decide yourself what you want to put in here. I'm just showing you how you can edit the product, but the final decision is up to you, how you want really to organize the title and all the edit works in here. So I will for now just leave it very short, just to have more products in this store to continue with designing. I have to copy the title, which I decide to leave, and pass it in here. And this is for relaxation, this category I created before, and I'll just delete these photos in here quickly. So the pricing, I will leave the pricings formula standard. Attributes, you don't have to touch these attributes. Maybe you can add attribute, but everything is will be automatically downloaded. So leave it. Don't touch to these attributes. Maybe you can just delete some of these features. There's a lot of things in here. Comfortable driving. Yes, double information in here. And okay, just add to import list. So now guys, there's this thing I want to show you. This is a product which I'm right now editing. We are going just here and click on this icon. It will open the picture, and I will just delete that and that, because you will not give any 6 months guarantee about that or for replacement. I will just delete that. So click on this pencil and click in here to have the right color, and you can leave it round, or just also you can choose this square, and you can just delete this in here. This picture is really easy to be edited. So now I will choose the circle, and I will try to make it very fine. It's not that easy because there is a really big difference between, he is kind of gray and the other one is white. But I don't think that the customers will really pay attention about that. Okay, and save. So, and after that, I have made already the changes about title. I will not touch the pricing. I will not touch the attributes. And yeah, it's okay. Add item to import list. So guys, another thing I want to show you, go to dashboard and go to products. And here you will find all of your products you have imported. If you click on this one, for example, or this one, so there's a video which is downloaded. I will just delete it. So guys, you have really to rewrite this description. It must be very eye-catching for the customer, and you have to write things about features, about options the customer can have, and why should the customer buy this product. The thing I want to show you now is how you can download the reviews. Go here, reviews, and you can say, okay, I want just have only 5 stars, or you can go with 4 stars and higher. I would suggest that only 5 stars. Count review up to 20, translate to English, send reviews to draft before, yes. And you want also only reviews with images. Upload images to server, yes. Import now. 20 reviews have been imported for now. We'll just go to comments, and here are the reviews. And guys, you have to do a very important thing. Just read all these reviews. If there is anything you don't want to have, you can edit. For example, you can just say, okay, I don't want that in here. I will just click on edit. Just delete that. We leave it everything. Everything works tested only 1 day. Everything works fine. Maybe in a couple of months I will add a review. Fair enough. If I do not forgot. Okay, I will leave that. It's okay. Update. This one is Russian, it's not translated. We'll just not approve it, but send to bin. This one send to bin. And the other reviews which are in English, you have to review them and try to correct mistakes or delete some things you don't need to have or you don't want to have. Okay, and after that, approve every review I have reviewed. Okay, go back to products, and now I will just go and search for my products. I think it was this one, and I will find my reviews right down here. Here are the reviews. Okay, we will visit the product in the front end. And this is my product. Here I have my description, which I have imported from the Aliexpress, which we have to review and correct maybe and add maybe your own. These are reviews, true reviews with pictures. Okay, now there is this thing you can change. That must be really not be shown in here. So just go back to dashboard, go to products, go to this product, this one, and we will go to attributes, I think, and ship from, and just don't use it for a variation, and you can maybe just delete from Spain or from Russia. All my products must be shipped from China. Save attributes. Now we'll try to see if everything's fine. Sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, I can choose this one and I can add to basket. I'll go to my basket and the products is in here. Nice. So guys, we have to do some things about our SEO. As already explained before, we have to change maybe this description. I have prepared a small description. Okay, and now the readability is okay. I will copy the title and put it on focus keyphrase. And for a meta description, I have also prepared something. So everything is green in here. And also my SEO is okay and readability is okay. The target, guys, is to make it green in here and here. This tutorial is not about SEO, but I want really to tell you everything about creating a store. And maybe in YouTube you can just look for guys who have prepared some things about SEO, and you can do it. It's not really that hard. Go back to products. So this view helps you monitoring the SEO of your products. So you will directly see if your SEO is okay or not okay. As already told before, your target is to make it green in here, and you have a big chance to be found on Google. For now, these products, they don't have any SEO, and the readability is also very bad. So as already said, you have to write a catching description. You have to tell your customers why they have to buy your product, and you have to convince them about the features and why your product is better than the other products, or why your store is better than the other stores. Now we will go back to our example, and there's a thing I want to show you. Here you have the chance to change the categories if you want. They are the categories we have created on Aliexpress, and because we use Alidropship, so we can really do a lot of things on Aliexpress before importing the products in here. So now we will add tags. It means some words that customers can use to look for your products or to search for it. We'll just go and copy some words in here, maybe add also the brand. If someone look for a brand, car peripheral, have here some tags, update, and go back to products. So here you can have a better monitoring of your products. So here you have tags, but for the other products you don't have any tags. So you will see it directly on here, and you can directly go and add tags, for example, or as already said, make better your SEO. Now I will show you how to make a product to a featured product. You have just to click on this star one time. It will become blue. We'll For example, choose this one as featured also. That's how you can make your product as featured product. Now guys, I'm going to show you some settings on Alidropship plugin. Go to settings, general, and here you have some general settings you can make. For example, order fulfillment, you can add here the phone number of your customer, and there's this note in here about that you are dropshipper and your supplier must not include any invoices or promo materials in the package. Here you can decide which image you want to have. You want to upload to your server, and you can, for example, say I don't want variation images, or I don't want product description images. And as I already shown you, you can make that manually, and this is the better way to do it, because you can see which image you need and which you don't need, and you can also here decide to delete or not all product images when remove products, and you can save. You can decide which tracking information which tracking information can send to the customer. You can say, for example, order ship with notification to the customer, don't attach tracking, send email notification if the tracking address changed. You can decide about some very important tracking information which are very important for you to show the customer that you are using tracking IDs. And here you can add your cashback URL, which you must generate under this link in here. You can get up to 12% cashback from each purchase on Aliexpress. Just register in here and you will get this link, pass it in here, and you will get up to 12% cashback from the Aliexpress. And there is another setting which very important, is pricing. So about pricing, you can add recommended formulas, or you can add your own formulas in here. Or you can say maybe just multiply the price by 2 or by 3 or by 4. It is up to you, but before deciding which price you want to apply to your products, you have first to see if you are competitive. It means you have to make some researches about your competitors, which prices are online, and after that you can decide which price. But if not, I would go with recommended formulas. So I will just add recommended formulas to here, and there's here some formulas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 formulas. For items between $0 and $1, the price is about $9.95, and for items between $5 and $30, we multiply the price by 2. And I know from my store that the shipping costs are between $1 and $5, and all the time the price you can apply also e-packet. It means the customer pay nothing for shipping, and I would go with recommended. Maybe you have a small margin, but you can be competitive with the others. But you can add new formula. Just click on this button, and you can see for all the prices between 0 and 100, for example, I will add shipping cost of $5, and I will multiply the price by 3, and I will give a discount of 55%, for example, and save. And after you have saved the changes, just update the price, and this formula will be applied to all your prices. But for now, I will just go with recommended prices, and I will just click on update prices right now. Okay, that's right, guys. We have now updated the prices. I will just go to currency. So you have here the possibility to change the currency to a lot of countries in here. Enable currency switcher. Default currency is United States. And you can add here other currencies, for example, for all the countries if you want. I will add some of those currencies in here, and I'll just try to see what's happened. Enable currency setting for all selected currencies. Save changes. We'll just go to dashboard and go to appearance, widgets. This is our widget Alidropship currency switcher. Just go here, select shop sidebar, add widget, and the currency widget is on shop sidebar. So for time to time, guys, you have to click on this purge Siteground cache, and you have also the possibility to use themify cache, clear menu cache. And sometimes you cannot say some changes that you have to clear the cache. So we go and visit homepage, we click on shop, and we have here our switcher. We'll just select, for example, British pound and see what happened. Now the prices are changes to British pound. Go for Yemen Rial, and we have the price in Yemen Rial. So go to customize, click on this icon, widgets, shop sidebar, and you can drop this switcher to the top. So now is it better to have it in here? Publish. So now if you want to have it in here or here, there is a ton of possibilities to do that. I will just show you how you can do that very quickly. Just go to dashboard and Alidropship, go to settings, currency, and click on how it works. So we'll get from Alidropship knowledge base how to do that. There is this possibility which I've shown you to put the widget on shop sidebar, or there is other ways to do that, to put it in here on the title. Just read that and you will find the best way for you. So now, guys, let's go to products, go to categories, and exterior edit. And I want to show you another thing about SEO. It's the same things when you edit the meta description and you give a good title to your product. It's the same things with your category. You have to do the same in here. You have to give a focus key phrase, meta description, and say some things about this category, what it's about. And the thing I want to show you now is I want to give to this category a picture. So for the category exterior, I will use this picture, use image, update. Go back to categories, edit category interior, and the same thing. Upload image, and I will use this one. Update. Categories, organizer, edit, and I will look for picture for the category organizer. The best one should be that one. Update. Categories, relaxation, and I will just upload the last picture, and that should be a very good one. This in here. Update. As you have downloaded Themify Shop, there was 3 links. One of them is for WooCommerce Builder. Please install it now. Just go to Plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, and upload Builder WooCommerce, open, install now. I have already installed this add-on, so you should now only go ahead and install it and activate it. I will cancel and go back now. It is about this add-on Builder WooCommerce. It helps to add WooCommerce modules such as categories and featured products to any page you want. It gives, for example, your home page a very professional look. Home page, turn on Builder, and we'll add a row, and we'll add product categories. Done. Okay, we will add a kind of space between this image and categories. Go to styling, margin, on the top, percentage, and give like 4 or 3 as you like. We'll go with 4, for example, for now. Okay, and after that we'll add another row. So let's add a fancy heading. Featured products. So featured products in the middle. So we have added it here, featured for heading and subheading products. Okay, add another row and maybe adjust the margin. Now look, 2%, and we will add WooCommerce module, featured product, and we'll go with tiles. We have limited the featured product to 6. The number of featured product is now limited to 6. You can make it 8, 10, or even 20 if you want, but I think it doesn't really make any sense to make a lot of featured products in here because it will be your shop. Here you have really to put only the products you have featured, products you have maybe decide to make as important product for your shop for a certain time. And here you can play with these settings in here. For now I decided for the layout tiles. You can also decide for this one or this one. Is it up to you? What do you want to do? With Themify Shop you have a really chance to turn your store to very professional one. As you have seen, this is really very easy to make a very professional store with Themify. You have some very easy settings in here to make your featured module, and you can just play with the settings, and it's really not that hard. To grow your store, you need to apply some marketing activities. One of the most important marketing measures is newsletter. I will show you right now how you can add a newsletter subscription module. So for now, I will just go to blogs, search for newsletter, and I will import this one. It's not really very hard to create the same. Maybe you can just change the image, background, can change the overlay color of this image. Just go to background, raw overlay, and you can, for example, make it darker or maybe like this, and done. You can change the text. We will just leave it like this, and you can decide which text you want to put in here. And the most important things for the newsletter, you will need a Mailchimp API key to have a subscription from your customers, or maybe decide to have one of these plugins for newsletter. There's a lot of plugins for newsletter, but the most used one is Mailchimp. I think you can send up to 500 mails per month for free if you use Mailchimp. And I will show you how you can insert API key from Mailchimp. Done. Save. Close. So now go back to dashboard, plugins, add new, and search for Mailchimp. I have already downloaded this plugin and I have activated it. Now to register in Mailchimp, is it better to go to the website, sign up for free, add your email, username, best dropshipping, etc. So now go to your profile picture, account, go to extras, API keys, and here you can create a key, and the key is already created. You have just to copy this key, go back to your dashboard, themify setting, and go to integration, opt-in. Go to Mailchimp and add the key here. Save. Now we'll go back to our home page. And we'll make a test. Best subscribe, success. And now your newsletter is working. So as you see, your newsletter subscription module is working after you created a Mailchimp account and after you have created a API key. Now let's take a tour in our shop. Regarding the prices, I still haven't made any settings in WooCommerce plugin. We will be making the settings later, and there I will specify which currency I will use in my store. But anyway, it will be US dollar. Now, to make a lot of settings in here, there is more than one possibility. The first one, go to customize, go back here, go to WooCommerce, go to product catalog. And here, for example, you can adjust show categories or show categories and products, but is it better only to show only products? Also, you can, if you want, show subcategories or show subcategories and products. So you can really decide what you want to show in this page in here. and also about sorting. So you can decide you want to sort popularity, average rating, or sort by most recent. I will leave it just with default sorting, and you can also decide here how many products you want to have in this row. You can decide 5, 6, 8, but these settings can also be made in your dashboard in the Themify shop settings. So we'll go back, and here you can decide about the main image width and the thumbnail width. You can also decide about thumbnail cropping. It's not a lot of settings, but you can make some settings through customizing the front page. So now we will go to Themify shop, Themify settings, and go to shop settings. And here you can really make a lot of settings. Product layout, how we want. If we go with tiles, save, and go back to shop, refresh, it will look like this. The customer must hover on the product to see the information, and it's not really good. Now we'll go back and try with grid of 6 products, save, shop, refresh, and now you have small thumbnails. If you have a lot of products, maybe with 6 products, is it better than with 4? Back, or I will leave it with 4 products, save. Just play with the settings to see which setting is good for you. And you can also decide about the images size here. You can also hide price if you want. Product title, a lot of settings in here. In the shop page, you can also work with full width shop page, or with sidebar if you want on the left, or sidebar on the right. If you have a filter, for example, or if you have kind of content you have to show on the right or on the left sidebar. Now we will go back to shop and click on a product. This is our product right now. I already shown you how you can delete this attributes from here. We can do it again for this product. We go back to products and go to this one, scroll down, attributes, ship from, and I'll use it for variation, and you can delete Spain and Russia. Save attribute, update your product, go back, refresh. So there is a thing I want to show you how you can hide this SKU, because with this number, if your customer just copy this number and go and search for it on Google, he will directly find it on Aliexpress, and he will compare the prices, and it's not really good. It means it's really very good to hide this SKU number. We go back to Themify, single product, go here and hide product SKU, save, go back, refresh, and there is no SKU. Just go through the settings and try all of them, or if you have any kind of preference, just try the settings and you will find the best settings for your product and for your store. So there is another thing I will show you. If I select this product in here in black, add it to basket, I have to hover on a basket to see what I have in it. But we can go here and show this basket for 2 seconds after we have added a product. So for example, if I added this product, it will show me the basket for 2-3 seconds automatically. So you can maybe set it for 3 seconds, save, and the customer can directly see that the product is added to his basket. Okay guys, just play with this very simple settings. After you have added products to your shop, you can make amazing settings with Themify shop. It's very easy. I have built some websites with other teams, and Themify is really one of the best teams you can find on the market right now. And just try it, use it. You will really find it cool and very easy. So now let us set up WooCommerce. Click on WooCommerce and put your address. Your country, city and postcode. If you are setting a store for a client, just check this box here. Continue. No thanks. Fashion, other accessories. Continue. What type of products will be listed? Physical products. Continue. Let us say 11 to 100. No. Continue. Okay. Continue with my activate theme. Go to settings. Here's my address. It depends on where you are setting your items, but I will leave it like this. We'll go to general currency. You can change your currency to US dollar, United States. Here are the emails which are sent to customers. When you get new order, this email is sent to you. Order on hold is sent to the customer. Processing order is sent to customer. Completed order is sent to customer. These are pre-built emails from Woocommerce for you and for your customers. Some other settings. Allow customers to create an account. This is very important. Allow customers to create an account on my account page. When creating an account, automatically generate an account password. No. Did the customer define his password himself? That's also allow customers to log in an existing account during checkout. Save changes. So go to settings, general, and anyone can register. Save. Now let us add a shipping zone. Zone name United States. Add shipping method, free shipping, because when you are calculating your prices, just add your shipping cost to your price, and it's very important for customers to have free shipping. Add shipping method. Now we have just generated a shipping method for USA, and you can make the same thing for other countries. It's the same method. Go to payments. Now we will set up PayPal checkout. Now I'm going to link my existing PayPal account. If you still don't have a business PayPal account, it is time to have one. You will need it to link your store to PayPal and be able to use PayPal checkout gateway. Now just add your email which you have used to open your account at PayPal. Okay, right now I have authenticated my PayPal account and link it to this domain in here. So now let's visit the store and check if everything is working fine. I'll go to shop and we'll try to buy a product. For example, this one. I will choose this one, is very nice. Add to cart. And I will go to basket, check everything is okay. Maybe I can buy two. Update basket and proceed to checkout. And now we will add some details just as example. Tom, last name, Larry, United States, house number 500, no apartment, and Brooklyn. Phone number, email, Tom, This is the order and free shipping. As I already shown you in the setting of WooCommerce, this free shipping is for USA. You can make the same thing for any country you want. It depends on to which country or which countries you ship to. Credit card, for example, and here you can give the details of the credit card and buy now, or go with PayPal and it will redirect you directly to PayPal. It means it works. It's very fine. I'm very happy. Okay, I will just close that. So now there is a thing I want to show you. I will just add in here an icon with my account. So we'll go back to dashboard, go to appearance, menus, and we will create new menu, and we will name it icons menu and create menu. So now we will add my account, open, insert icon, and we'll take user icon. We'll check icon navigation if it's not checked. Save menu. So now we'll go back to visit sit, and here I have my account. If I click on it, it will take me to my account, and this is my wish list. The wish list is not working currently. Wish list is redirecting me to my account. I will go and change that. Go to themify settings, and we'll go to shop settings, wish list, and we'll say no. Before that we have to create wish list page. Add new page, and we'll name it wish list. Publish. Themify shop, Themify settings, shop settings, wish list, and we'll say wish list must be redirected to wish list. And here you can disable wish list if you don't want it. Save. And now we'll go back to home page, click on wish list, and now this is the wish list. We will check. I'll just click on this product wish list and this one wish list, and you see there is top products in wish list. If I click on it, this is my wish list. So now let us create a contact form, but before we need to create a professional email address on Siteground. If you are using another hosting provider, then create there a professional email. If you can't, you can still use providers such as Google Mail or Yahoo, and we will create our contact form in here. But before, let's go to Siteground, websites, click on Site Tools, go to Email, Accounts. I will use contact as account name, contact bestdropshippingtutorial.com. The password is the one we have on Siteground. Create. Okay, I have just created a professional email address which I can use to get in touch with my customers. It's serious and professional than using email providers such as Gmail or Yahoo. So here you can manage your email account, you can change password, you can change quota, you can give more than 512 MB, and we will need this informations in here to add them to our WP SMTP plugin. Go to dashboard, plugins, click on settings of the plugin WP Mail SMTP. This plugin will give you the opportunity to communicate with your customers, to let customers send you contact forms and to answer also to these contact forms automatically. This is the from name. Your customer will directly see from whom is the email. Force name. We will use other SMTP as mailer. As you see, you can choose from a multitude of other provider. And now we will add SMTP host. That is best drop shipping tutorial.com, and we will use SSL. SMTP port is 465. You leave this settings like this. This one also stay like this, and you will add your address mail. If you go there, configuration, this mail address, just copy this email in here, go back to dashboard, add it in here, and add your password. And the from email must be your created professional email. And save settings, email test. It is recommended to use DMARC protocol because it helps protect your domain from unauthorized use. To do that, just go to Siteground and go to domain DNS zone editor and add the text record. This is this one which I added to my domain eltadrar.com. We'll just take the same one. This is the record name, TTL 5 hours, and this is the text record value. So I will just copy the same value, confirm, change domain to my domain, text, add value, and I will just add DMARC 5 hours, create. Now is my DMARC record is created for bestdropshippingtutorial.com, and we'll go back here, refresh, send email. Everything is fine. It means right now your emails are protected against spoofing or against unauthorized use. Now we are going to create a contact form. Go to contact forms, and this one is created as a default one. We will just leave it and create another one, add new. This is a contact form. We will name it contact CE as accessories. First tab is form. After we go to mail, message body from your name. Okay. And just click on use mail to, and here you can add thank you and copy this shortcode, your name, thank you, your name, for getting in touch. We will your name for getting in touch. We will get back to you ASAP. Team accessories. Save. Now copy this shortcut of your contact form and go to your home page, click on contact and turn on builder. Add a fancy heading. We don't need any heading, we will just need a sub heading, get in touch. In the middle, done. And we'll add another row. I will add now plain text, and I will paste my shortcode, and here I have my contact form right here. Save. So now we will make a test. I will just close. Your name L, your email is beststutorial@gmail.com. Subject test my contact form. Hi 0 or 1 1, and this quiz is to protect you against robot spamming. Submit. The email has been sent. 2 emails has been sent from my contact form. The first one is the message of the customer to me, and the second one went to the customer. And this is the automatically sent email to the customer saying thank you for getting in touch. So we'll just go back. There is something more I want to show you about contact form. If someone gets in touch with you, you will need to know what he wants from you. It means we must make the message as required, not optional. So just go back to dashboard, go to contact forms. This is our contact form. So now go here and add an asterisk and delete optional in here. Save. Go back and visit homepage, contact. So now it's required. And now everything is fine. The message is required and no one can send you any message without writing some things in here. Okay guys, now my contact form is working fine. My customers are able to contact me, and my website also can send automated mails. In the next step, I will be customizing these pages in here. I have prepared the adequate text for each one of them, and let's do it. Click on Refunds Policy, turn on Builder, add fancy heading, delete heading, Refunds Policy. In the middle, done. Add text module. I'll just copy the text which I have prepared, and I will paste it in my text module in here. I'll just go to styling, font, open sans, font weight 600, and I will take this black, 16 pixel, 28 line height, text, and done. Save. I still have to change some things in here. Turn on Builder, and this is a link, so I have to edit, and I will add the professional email which I created before. Contact, best drop shipping tutorial.com. Done. Save. And now shipping and delivery. We will do the same thing. Turn on Builder, add a fancy heading, delete heading, in the middle, done. new row, and now I'll add text module. And now I will pass the text which I have prepared before. Styling, font, open sans, font weight 600, black, a little bit light, 1628. Done. So now I want to add the link to contact us. Done. Save. Terms of service. Add fancy heading. In the middle. Done. Add no row. Add a text module, and now I will pass the text which I have prepared before, and I will pass the terms of service which I prepared before in here. Now let's go to styling, font, open sans, 600. Done. Save and close. Click on privacy policy. We'll just go to backend and we'll go here and delete text. Go back to front page, go view page, and there is nothing in here. And turn on builder, fancy heading. Privacy policy. In the middle. Done. Add new row, add text module, and I will pass the privacy policy which I prepared before. Save, close. Now I have designed all the pages in here: refunds policy, shipping and delivery, terms of service and privacy policy. Shop is designed, home is designed, contact is designed, still about us must be designed. Turn on builder, go to row option, go to grid and choose 2 columns. And I will add text module, past, styling, font, open sans, 600. Done. And I will add kind of image. I'll add this one. Sounds good. And I will add fancy heading. Our story. Put it in the middle. Then I will just drag and drop this title in here, Save and close. So guys, now since we have these pages in here, terms of service and privacy policy, go to customize, click here to go back, click WooCommerce, check out, and there's some options here you can select or deselect. Now privacy policy, select your page, privacy policy, and terms of service, select your page of terms of service and publish. So now here you can, for example, require phone number or not, because there is some customers maybe they will not want to give you or their phone number, or say optional. Company name optional, because not a lot of people have a company, and publish. So now if you close here, go to shop, click on an article, anyone, at the basket, and go to checkout. So now here your customer will be able to say, I have read and agreed the terms and conditions. Besides, your customer will have the possibility to read your privacy policy. In this way, you will bring the two most important documents that will demonstrate your transparency and your professionalism on one single place. You simply tell the customers that you have nothing to hide and they can shop safely. Alright guys, we are almost done with the designing of this store. Let me just show you how you can animate your hero picture. Turn on Builder. Go to Styling, Animation, and here you can choose your entrance animation. For now I have fade in animation, but you can go with any one of these animations in here. I would just leave it fade in because it's really simple and gives my home page a kind of beautiful accent. Done. Save and close. Alright guys, it's time of your bonus. As you know, every website has this kind of footer in here. It could be not that eye-catching for your visitors or even boring. So let's customize a very simple footer and at the same time very professional. Go to dashboard, themify-shoppe, layout parts, add new, choose a name for your footer. We'll just name it footer 1, save and publish. Go to front end, click on row options, full width, save. Go to grid and make it 3 columns. So now we have 3 columns in here. The first column, I will use it to add an image. You can add any image you want. I will add my logo and I will make the width smaller, put it in the middle. Done. Here I will add text. Shop. Home. About us. Contact us. Here I will add also text, refunds policy, shipping and delivery, terms of service, privacy policy. Done. Now I will go to styling of my picture. And I will add some margin from the top to move the logo in the center of the column. Done. Now I will just push this column in the middle and this one also in the middle. I will add background color. Set up the transparency to 0.1. Adjust the margin in here to make it smaller. Let's add here a fancy heading. and name it store. Drag and drop to the top. Heading 3. The same thing here. We add a fancy heading and we will name it Help Center. Change to heading 3. Drag and drop it to the top. I'm not happy with my margin in here. Let's add another text in here. Dashboard, themify settings, theme settings, footer text, and I will just copy this text here. Go to styling and go to margin and just make like -25 to put it in the middle. Done. If you want, you can go to styling here and you can change the width of your divider. Just make it bigger here, bigger value, and here the same thing. Save. Our layout part now is ready. Dashboard, themify shop, themify settings. We'll go to layout parts and we'll copy this short code here. Go to themify settings, hook content, and add shortcut here. Place this hook content after the footer. Save. Now we will need to deactivate the standard menu. Go to appearance, menus, select footer menu and deselect footer menu here. Save menu. Go back to themify settings, theme settings, footer text, and uncheck hide footer text. Save. Visit front page, and this is our footer. So you can customize this footer as you like, guys. You can make 4 columns, and if you have more content, more things to show, you can add 3rd column in here or 4th column. You can add a picture as a background. You can remove this logo if you don't like. Just to show you that you can change the design of your page with Themify as you like, and you are really very flexible to do what you want. So we'll go back to our layout part. And we have our page open, homepage. Copy the link of the homepage, edit, link of the homepage here, shop, copy the link of the shop, edit, select shop, click on insert link, paste the link of the shop. Done. Back, about us, copy the link, edit, about us, and contact us. Copy the link, edit, contact us, insert link, the link of the home page, edit, select home, insert link, enter. We'll do the same things with the other pages in here, but in this case we will go to pages because we have deselected the footer menu, and we will look for privacy policy page, for example, and we'll copy the link from here. It's okay. Privacy policy, insert link, shipping and delivery, and I will just copy the link, go back to my layout part, edit, shipping and delivery, insert refunds policy. Where is my refunds policy? Here, click on it and copy the link. Go back, edit, refunds policy, insert link. Now we'll add terms of service link. Save, refresh, and this is my customized footer. If I click on refunds policy, it will take me to the refunds policy page. If I click on my logo, it takes me to home page directly. Contact us. It is very important to test all the links if they are working fine. And shop, refunds policy, everything is fine. Now there is a thing you have to pay attention about. Is your website responsive? Until now we have created a lot of content, so let's take a look if my store is responsive. I think my created footer isn't responsive. Anyway, let's take a closer look. Just go to customize and click on the different devices, for example tablet landscape, and we will just take a look if our website is responsive. Everything is fine. I can see all my content on a tablet landscape, even my created footer. On tablet also the same, everything is fine. I can maybe also try to see my shop. Okay, that's fine. Now we will see if my site is responsive on mobile phone. The footer isn't responsive, so we'll just maybe try to see the shop. Everything is fine, but only the footer is not okay. Maybe we'll try home. If you remember, for the home we have created a hero picture just for mobile, and the other things, they are also fine. So there is also the footer, and that's not a problem. We will create a footer just for mobile devices. So now I'm going to create a footer just for mobile devices. I will close here and I will go back to my dashboard, layout parts, and I will open my footer one, which I have created before, and go to front end. And now this is my footer, and I will just go here, visibility, and switch off mobile. Save. Create another row with 3 columns. Add here fancy heading. Go here to my fancy heading and copy. And I go here to these 3 points, paste, and I will paste my heading. And I will create a text. Go here to my text. Okay. And here, fancy heading. And I will go to this fancy heading, copy, go back here, paste my heading, and I will copy this text, but before I have to create a text here. I will copy my text, paste, and I will go back here and copy this text, go here, add a text module, and I will paste it in here and put it in the middle, save. Then go to styling, and I will just go to divider, and I will make it smaller, and this one a little bit bigger, or the width must be a little bit bigger. So now I'll just go here, visibility, and switch off desktop, tablet landscape, tablet portrait, and leave only mobile. Save. So now I will just add my background color, copy the color, done, styling, background, and the same color, transparency 0.1, done, save. Now I will go to my front page, refresh, and I will only see my footer which I have created for desktop or for tablet landscape or tablet. Now we'll go to customize and we will check now. This is my footer for mobile phones. It looks responsive, very good. We will just make these lines a little bit smaller, this one, and let's try it right now. Smaller, done. And this one will also make it smaller, done, save. Go back here, refresh, click on mobile. Alright guys, you have just created a customized footer for mobile devices. Your store is now 100% responsive. Just keep in mind, with Themify potential, you can create in a website you can imagine. The great thing about that is not difficult at all. We still need to add some social media links to your store. There is more than one way to do that. We'll just go back to dashboard. We'll go to Themify settings and we'll go to social links. And here you can add your links. Twitter, Facebook. Facebook already had added my link in here. And here's YouTube, Pinterest. And you can add also Instagram if you want. You just insert the icon. Look for Instagram. And I will just have to add the link from Instagram. I'll just work with Pinterest right now. Pinterest just to test. Instagram. So I have 3 social links right now. Save. And we'll go to Appearance, Widgets, and go to Themify social links. Okay, we'll just try with footer widget 1, add, go back here, refresh, and the links are here. So if you are fine with this kind of small icons, it's okay. The customer will just click on the link and he will be taken to the Facebook page. And we have some icons in here. So we can also work on these icons. We have just to turn on Builder. This is icon module, edit. And I can just go to this icon in here and add my Facebook link. And another one is Twitter. I don't have Twitter, so I will just maybe add Instagram. I will remove it and I will add Instagram icon. And I will grab the link of Instagram, paste. Don't have any Google Plus. I'll just remove it. Google Plus, remove it. And I will add Pinterest instead. I will grab Pinterest link and add it in here. Done. So this kind of icons, you can really add them anywhere you want, and just put the link of the icon. It could be Facebook or Instagram or maybe email or any other icon you can choose from the multitude of icons you have. Regarding these social links here, which we have just added, there is another way to add them. Just go back to dashboard, go to themify-shoppe, layout parts, and we will add new one, and we will name it social media links. Save, publish, go to front end. We have already a row which created automatically, so we'll just choose a row with 4 columns. So we have 4 columns in here. The first column will insert an icon. I will directly choose XL, remove this icon, and I will look for Facebook icon. I will choose squared and I will put it in the middle, and I will hide label text. Done. Add icon, XL, squared, red because it will be Pinterest. Add Pinterest icon, in the middle, hide label text. Next one will be Instagram icon, XL, squared. I don't know which color now is Instagram, but I think we can go with, leave it blue because it's Facebook, or just red, I don't know. In the middle, hide label text, remove this one, and add Instagram icon. Now we will add YouTube icon, remove this one, we'll add YouTube icon, XL, squared, red, in the middle, hide label text. Okay, done. Save. Now I will add the links. I will just grab the links, link, done. Same things with Pinterest. There's my link, done. Same thing with Instagram. Pass the link, done. For now I don't have YouTube, but I will do it later. And save. So now we'll copy this one, duplicate, not copy, duplicate. The second one, I will use it for mobile phones. I will just make it responsive and better looking for phones, for mobile devices, and this one is for the other devices. So go to visibility, and we will hide this one from mobile phones, and the same thing, see visibility, and we will hide this one from tablet portrait, tablet landscape, and desktop. Done. Just go here, and this one is for desktop, and tablet landscape, tablet portrait, and this one is for mobile phone. I will just go here. So save. Close. So now I will go back to dashboard, themify-shoppe, layout parts. So now this is my created layout parts for media links. I will just copy this shortcode here and go back to Themify settings, hook content, and I will add this shortcut here, save. I'll go and visit my homepage and let's see what has happened. So right now I have my icons in here. I like these icons like this, but you can also work with this icons here. We'll just go back, go to appearance, widgets, go to footer with social links and delete. Go back here, refresh. The three icons are removed, so you can work with this layout parts or with the widgets, and you can insert your icons in there, your social links, as you like. I shown you how you can do it. Is it really up to you how you want to do that? Guys, there is the last way you can use to add Facebook icons or Facebook social links. It is about a kind of social media banners. Just go back to dashboard, click on themify-shoppe, Themify settings, footer social banners. Now, because we have already added the links, we don't have to do that again. We'll just check Facebook and Pinterest and Instagram, YouTube, and save. Now go to homepage and refresh. All right, guys, it is about your choice. It's up to you. Just choose the best design that fit to your website, to your store, to your homepage. For now, I will just leave this small icons in here. Go back and I will just uncheck the social media boxes here and save. That's it. I'll go back, refresh, and these are my small icons and I'm happy with them. Go to shop. Currently the shop page has a full width. There is no sidebar. Turn on builder, back end, page options, and choose sidebar on the right, update. Now I want to show you how you can add the categories on the right, so the customer can see the categories on the right and can maybe click between different categories you have. Go to appearance, widgets, and go to product categories and add them to shop sidebar, add widget. So now we'll go back to shop. And here you are. You have your product categories in here. We can also add social media icons in here. You can do it here, customize. Click on this icon to go back. Click on widgets, shop sidebar, add a widget, and we'll look for social media links widget. So now you have these three icons in here because we have added the links for Facebook, for Pinterest, and for Instagram. You can also add here these social media layout parts which we have created before. Now go back to dashboard, to Themify shop, Themify setting, layout parts, and we will copy this shortcut in here. Go to Themify shop, hook content, add new, add it in here, and we will say put it on sidebar end, save. So now you can decide, you want this or you want this. Is it up to you? Decide. So I will for now just leave the 4 icons here, the big icons, and remove that. I will go just to customize. Click here, go to widgets and shop sidebar, and I will remove the links, publish. Now guys, there is 2 things I want to show you. I will show you how to make these icons smaller. We have seen that before, but we will do that right now again. And I will show you how we can remove these icons from here, because we have those here. And I will also show you how we can put these icons only on certain pages. Go back to dashboard and go to layout parts, click on social media links, go to front end, click on edit, L, and we will choose a round icon, done. Same things here, L, round icon, and the same thing here. These icons are for mobile phones, as you know. We'll make them as a circle and in small. Save. We go back, refresh, and our icons are around now. Now we'll remove these icons from shop from here, and we'll adjust the hook content to show these icons only in certain pages. Go back to dashboard and go to Themify settings and go to hook content. And this is our layout part. We will just add a condition or conditions. We will say put these icons only on home page and maybe on about us. Save. And if you remember, this layout part in here is the same as this one. We have used this hook content to put this layout part on the sidebar. So go back, refresh. Now we have these icons on our sidebar, and the other icons are now gone. We'll just go to about us. The icons are here, and the other pages, I think we have the icons on sidebar. If you don't want to see these icons in here, you can just adjust this page to full width. You can do that. You turn on builder, go to back end, we'll go to page options and make it to no sidebar, update, view page. Okay, we'll go to our home page and the icons are here. So now let's check the other pages, for example, Refunds or Poilicy. I don't know if you want to leave these icons in here or not, but as already explained before, you can just go to your layout part, because this layout part is the one who is responsible to put the icons on sidebar. You can just add conditions and say you want these icons only on certain pages, for example only on shop, and click on shop. You will get these icons only on shop. You want them on refunds policy, you will get them on refunds policy. You decide. You can say this layout part must be displayed on this page and this page, and you are really flexible with that. So for now, this for me, I will just say put these icons on shop, maybe on checkout, and that's it. Save, and I will go back here. I will click on shipping and delivery. I don't have them here. Refunds policy, I don't have them here. And on my about us, I have my icons here. Regarding my contact page, I will just go back to my old version, means without full width, only a default without sidebar. Go here, turn on builder, go to back end, go to page options and set to default. Update, view page. I think is it better without the full width option. Contact form is now smaller and better than full width. Now let's remove these categories from here. So we'll just go again to customize, click to go back, and widgets, shop sidebar, and I will delete that from here, publish. So now I have my product categories in here, and I have my social links in here. So you can add here anything you want: image, special product, special thing you offer to your customer, or maybe a call out button. You decide. You can do it with layout parts. Is the easiest way to do that. I will just close here, go to home. Alright guys, this is time to show you how to back up your website. Finally, I'm going to show you how to back up your store. There is more than one way to do it. First possibility is the automatic daily backup, which is made by Siteground on a night. Siteground keep up to 30 old backups for you. In this case, you will need to do nothing. If you plan to make changes on your website or install plugins, new version of WordPress or Woocommerce, then you should make a backup on the fly or a backup on demand. You can make up to 5 backup slots in your Siteground site tools. To free a backup slot, you will only have to delete an old backup. Let me just show you how it works at Sitegrounds with backups. Go to websites, site tools, click on security, backups. You can see your backups which are made by Siteground the last 30 days. You will see also the available manual backup slots which you can make manually. I will just show you now how you can make a backup on the fly. I will name it backup EL, and I will manually create this backup right now. As a backup is created, and this is the backup which I have just created. As if something goes wrong with my store or with my website generally, I can quickly restore it to the last working version using this backup in here or any of the last or the old backups. I have only to go to these 3 points and click on restore all files and databases. With Siteground is extremely easy to make backups and to restore my site. You have all the tools you need at one place, and it's only a matter of some clicks, 2-3 clicks to make a backup and 2-3 clicks to restore your website. With a lot of hosting provider, you will need to be a webmaster to make a backup. Now for the guys who haven't Siteground, there is another way to make backups manually and automatically. Go to dashboard, go to plugins, and if you remember, we have installed the plugin Updrafts Plus. Click on settings here and choose your remote storage. So with Google Drive, for example, you have 15 GB, which you can use for your backups, or you can send it per mail or FTP. You can also use Microsoft Azure, Dropbox. If you have Dropbox, anyone have Dropbox, but I will go for now with Dropbox, for example. I will click on Dropbox or on Google Drive, and I will check plugins, themes, uploads, and any of other directories. Check this box to have a basic report. Okay, is it better to have a report? And save changes. Now it will take me to Google Drive. You have selected the remote storage option, which has an authorization step to complete. I will just click here and I will choose my Google account, and I will give to Updrafts Plus the authorization to use my Google Drive to store the backups. Allow. Complete setup. So now I'm all set up. Everything is set up now, and I will just back up now. Include your database, include your files in the backup, send this backup to remote storage, and I will say only allow this backup to be deleted manually. Backup now. The backup has finished running. Close. And now here you will see your backups, which are made manually, and you get also a mail that your store is backed up. You can also schedule backups. Go to settings, and you can here schedule backups for your files and for your database. Maybe you can decide to go every 12 hours for database and files, and you can save. But for now, I will not use that because I have Siteground and I will work with Siteground.
Thank you guys for watching this video until the end. I hope you can finally create your dream store. Get in touch in case you want to have the backup of this created store. If you have any questions, write them below in the comments. Don't forget to support this channel with your subscriptions, comment and likes. This will surely help me to create more content. I will be for sure creating more videos about e-commerce and generally WordPress for you. See you guys in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Peace.